Today we're talking about personal finance. It's about managing the money you earn, planning for a future that's as secure as it can be, and reaching those financial goals that you've set your eyes on. So, are you ready to dive into the top 10 personal finance tips for beginners? At number 10, we have Start Budgeting. A cornerstone of personal finance management, budgeting lets you know exactly where your money goes. It's simple to start. Just jot down your income and expenses. Divide expenses into categories like groceries, rent, utilities, and fun money. The aim is to ensure your income covers all expenses and leaves a bit for savings. The key is consistency. Update and adjust your budget as needed, but always stick to it. So get those spreadsheets ready and start budgeting today. Counting down to number 9, balance your bank accounts. Now, this isn't about walking a financial tightrope. It's about knowing exactly what's happening with your money. Regularly balancing your bank accounts prevents unpleasant surprises, like overdraft fees, and helps you manage your cash flow effectively. You'll know what's coming in, what's going out, and where it's all going. This small habit can make a big difference in your financial health, so keep a close eye on your bank accounts. It's easier than you think. Next up on our list, at number 8, we have Build an Emergency Fund. This is a stash of money set aside to cover the financial surprises life throws your way. These unexpected events can be stressful and costly. Here's where an emergency fund comes into play. It's your financial buffer against unforeseen expenses like a sudden car repair, medical bills, or even job loss. The aim is to save up 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses, but starting small is better than not starting at all. Remember, an emergency fund is your financial safety net. Moving on to number 7, pay off high-interest debt. High-interest debt can feel like you're trying to climb a mountain with a heavy backpack. It's exhausting and slows down your progress. But there are strategies to help you conquer this mountain. One such strategy is the avalanche method. Start by focusing on the debt with the highest interest rate, while maintaining minimum payments on your other debts. Once the highest interest debt is paid off, move to the next highest, and so on. This method can save you a lot of money in the long run, so make paying off high-interest debt a priority. It's worth the effort. Halfway through our list, at number 6, avoid late payments. It's crucial to understand that late payments can have serious consequences. They can lead to hefty penalties that can add up quickly, putting a strain on your finances. What's worse, consistent late payments can result in delinquency, damaging your credit score significantly. This can make it harder for you to get approved for loans or credit cards in the future. Don't let late payments sneak up on you. So, set those reminders and avoid late payments. Cracking into our top 5, at number 5, start investing. Investing can be a powerful avenue to grow your wealth over time. It's like planting a seed today and reaping the fruits tomorrow. By putting your money to work in the stock market, bonds, or real estate, you can leverage the power of compound interest. This is where your investment earnings start earning too, creating a snowball effect that can significantly boost your wealth in the long run. So, don't wait. Start your investment journey today. Moving on to number 4, plan for retirement. Retirement might seem like a distant reality, but it's crucial to start planning for it early. Contributing to retirement accounts, such as a 401k or an IRA, can help secure your financial future. These accounts often come with tax advantages and the power of compound interest, which means your money grows over time. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. So whether you're just starting your career or are years in, prioritize contributing to your retirement. Remember, it's never too early to start planning for retirement. In third place, we have understand taxes. Taxes aren't just a yearly annoyance. They're a crucial part of your financial health. Being savvy about taxes can help you save money. For instance, knowing what deductions and credits you're eligible for can lower your tax bill. And understanding how different types of income are taxed can help you make smarter financial decisions throughout the year. So take the time to understand your taxes. It can save you a lot of money. Just missing out on our top spot at number 2, protect your credit. Your credit score is like your financial report card. It tells lenders how responsible you are with money. A good credit score can open doors to lower interest rates and better borrowing terms. So, how do you maintain it? Pay your bills on time, keep your credit usage low, and monitor your credit reports regularly for any suspicious activities. Also, don't apply for credit too frequently, as this can negatively impact your score. Remember, your credit score is a key part of your financial health. Before we reveal our top tip, a quick reminder. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and join our community of knowledge seekers. Now let's reveal our top personal finance tip. And finally, our most important tip at number 1, set financial goals. Defining your financial goals is the first step to achieving them. It's like having a financial roadmap that guides all your financial decisions. Whether you're saving for a new home, planning for retirement, or aiming to pay off debt, having clear goals can help you stay focused and motivated. Remember, these goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, or what we call SMART. This way, you can track your progress and make necessary adjustments along the way. It's not about the size of the goal, but the plan to achieve it that matters. So, set your financial goals and take control of your financial future. Thank you for watching.